Only the penitent man shall pass. Well, hello there, gentlemen. Welcome to Gentleman's Carry. My friends call me Junior. Now, I'm just a man on the land exploring the best of the gentleman's world here. Everything from knives, pens, wallets, flashlights, multi-tools. The list is nearly endless with the amount of gear that can fit in your pockets these days, gentlemen. You might end up with some pocket bulge there and impress the ladies. Now, join me for box openings, product reviews, everyday carry updates, knife and gear care, and reflections on life, all while having fun there in the process. Because if you're not having fun, what's the point, gentlemen? Now, I'm no full-time YouTube personality. I actually have to work for a living. For me, this here YouTube thing is just a place to have some fun and share my thoughts on products in the gentleman carry arena in my spare time. I'm not looking to replace my full-time job in the design and construction field, design build to be more precise, as I enjoy my line of work. And you may indeed see EDC products related to architecture, engineering, and construction peppered in through the content like these here everyday carry architecture and engineering skills. Now, the everyday carry world is a way of life for me, and I like to share it with my fellow man. Being a designer myself, I enjoy lending my 2 cents on the designs of my fellow man's creations, even if it's not wanted, but I'm going to give it anyway. So if I tickled your fancy there, stick around and subscribe to the channel and all that there YouTube jazz, as the best is yet to come, gentlemen.